1 billion people. In the house, who is there? The 200 million houses, a study has made by experts, that is 30% of the houses are corrupt. That means 60 million houses are corrupt. Okay? 60 million houses. Each house, who is there? Father, mother, and 2 daughters, 1 son or 2 sons and 1 daughter. Understand? You all understand? Now imagine, make your father corruption free if he is. If you do that, you are having a beautiful home, happy home, and also home of ethics. Now, I want to, dear young friends, you have learned about the process of how many of you know photosynthesis? You know photosynthesis? Many of you know. Each tree, a grown-up tree, when you see in Bihar or anywhere, it absorbs 20 kg of oxygen, 20 kg of oxygen, 20 kg of carbon dioxide every year, and lets out 14 kg of oxygen every year. 20 kg of carbon dioxide.